Hey guys, today I'm craving some Turkish chicken kebabs for lunch. So that's exactly what I'm going to have. So let's start off with our chicken breast. Slice directly down the center of your breast and then into approximately 1-inch cubes. Place your chicken in a bowl and prepare your marinade. We have a teaspoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of olive oil, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a teaspoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of chili, a good pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Give everything a good mix and make sure your marinade is coating each and every piece of chicken. It should look like this. Ideally, you'd want to leave this to marinate for at least a few hours. Overnight is always best. However, I'm giving this 0 marination time and I'm placing directly onto my skewers. Place your skewers on the side of a deep dish and ensure the chicken is not touching the base of the dish. This is going straight into the oven for approximately 17 minutes. Right, while this is cooking, let's prepare a quick salad. I'm going in heavy with some cucumber, roughly chopped spinach, sliced tomato and sliced red onion. I'm using a simple lemon juice and olive oil dressing and salt and pepper to season. Our chicken is rich and has big, bold flavors, so this salad is going to cut through that and balance everything out. Get your hands in and make sure the salad is dressed well. Our chicken's been in for about 10 minutes, so it's ready to be turned and basted with our leftover marinade. Take your time here and make sure to baste every inch of your chicken. We want each bite to be bursting with flavor. Right, this goes back in the oven for a final 7 minutes. Right, the chicken's been in for about 17 minutes and looks perfect. Let's plate up. I'm serving with some lemon rice. Oh wow, that chicken looks stunning and it's so easy to prepare. Literally anyone can do this, it takes no skill at all. Right, add your salad, and then the final, most important step is adding some ground sumac. This is a citrus spice that they use as a condiment like salt and pepper in the Middle East. Finally, some fresh mint from my garden. Turkish chicken kebabs, such a delicious lunch. This is exactly what I wanted. The chicken is juicy, succulent and bursting with flavor. The sprinkling of sumac is a secret ingredient. The fresh salad brings it all to life and the lemon rice completes it. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit like and subscribe and leave your comments below. I really enjoyed this lunch. Turkish kebabs, so simple. Absolutely effing delicious.